In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove an object from an image in Photoshop CC 2020. So let's get started. So let's say you want to remove this house. All you gotta do is select the object you want to remove. So in my case, it's this house. So I'm just gonna do a really rough selection, but if you want it to be really good, you want to make a better selection than I did right here. So next, you gotta go up here to Edit and to Content Aware Fill. So now our window has changed a little bit. So on the right, we see our image preview. And on the left, we have our original image, but a little bit of stuff is highlighted. So basically what Photoshop does is it takes parts from the image and uses it to fill the parts we want to remove. If you want to change the selection, you can go up here, you press on the plus. If you want the tool to add something, as you can see, now all of this will be considered for the selection. But if we want to remove something, you just gotta go here to the minus, and then you can remove stuff. So that's basically already it. And when you're happy with the selection, you just go down here and press OK. And that's already it. Now we have successfully removed this building from this image. Of course, this is not the best selection, but it always depends on the image. It's definitely better than having something in the image you don't want to have in the image. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.